Well, hi everybody and welcome back. This is my entry into the small scale group build going on from February 1st to February 28th, hosted by Bryan at BG Model Works and Shawn, the scale model car guy. Just one of these kits here, it's a 1/32 scale. There's two kits in here. I'm going to start with this one here on the bottom, the Super Roadster. I'm not sure if I'll do both of them. I might save one for next time. It's a Lindbergh kit. It even says it comes with a bonus cardboard display. It comes with a lot of extra parts. It's shown on the bottom here. This around. You can build it a number of different ways. You can interchange the parts. They come molded in the orange and blue. Just let me turn this around and open the box up here. I need two hands for that. Okay, we got the box open. You can see the parts are still in the bags here. One's molded in blue, one's molded in orange. There's a couple of loose pieces in here in the box. There's a bunch of chrome sprues. There's some decals in there as well. Like I said, I'm going to begin by doing this this one on the bottom, the Super Roadster. Not quite sure what my plan is yet. I'll have to see as it goes along. So stay tuned for the updates. So this is what's included with the Super Roadster version, all in blue styrene. Not too many parts, but quite a few chrome parts here. There's two sets of wheels. There's regular wheels and the moon caps. There's another set here as well. It's two sets of exhausts, looks like. Quite a bit of options here with these things. And then there's the other kit as well. I've got the instructions here for the Super Roadster. You can build it a couple of different ways. They said there's going to be maybe a few parts left over, a lot of chrome parts on the engine. I'll have to decide what color I'm going to paint it. See if I can cover up this blue paint here, blue styrene. And get some primer on it first, I guess, and see from there. I'm back again to do a quick update on the progress of my small scale build here. I've got the engine done and painted. Used some Tamiya Chevy orange paint, just brushed on, and some Silvercraft paint on a transmission. Used all the chrome parts there for the engine, for the intake and carbs and exhaust and so forth. And there's a few more chrome parts here ready to go in. I've got the windshield in and the headlights ready to go. There's the bumper and the tail lights and the rad and different things there ready to go on. I've got the body. I decided to do it the same color as the box art because I want to do the use the decals on it. So I had this Craft Smart turquoise. I airbrushed that on over some Vallejo light gray primer. Well, actually, I didn't use primer on this. I just put this straight onto the body, the turquoise, and it's very, very close to the actual sprue color. And I done the top and the interior and in the Vallejo light gray. And the interior tub right now is in the light gray primer with just flat black on the bottom, and the black on the bottom of the body as well, and on the chassis, because you can see right up through inside the chassis. Got the tires painted just with flat black paint, and it comes with three different sets of wheel discs, so I just chose these ones here. Put a black wash on these chrome parts before I finish up, and just to decide if I want to leave the interior that off-white or do another color to go with the blue. Like I said, I want to do it with the box art there, the light blue with the blue and sort of purple decals here. So it's coming along slowly. We had a couple of days here. I had to take care of some just some household chores, and I'll be back at it again soon. So stay tuned for the updates.